Hey there, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. If it's your first time, I invite you to subscribe so you can continue getting notifications about this trip and upcoming trips. If you've been following me along, thank you for coming back. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So looky here, my Atlanta adventure is officially underway. Okay, so look, I started my travel day for this video. Starts in Chicago, Illinois at Midway International Airport to catch my flight to Atlanta. Okay, so my time in Illinois is going to be featured in a separate upcoming video. So make sure you stay tuned for that one, which is also why you need to be subscribed so you're notified when those, because it's going to be more than one, drops. Okay, so look, after I arrived at the Midway Airport and getting checked in, making my way through the terminal.
You're good to go. You can either take the escalator, go straight down, or take the elevator, and security's right below us. You'll go through and straight over to the gate.
Boarding the plane. Before long, we were rolling down the runway. We had liftoff into the sky. Yeah, there's just something that's really peaceful about looking out of the airplane window. Yes, I love the window seat. And I love seeing all those beautiful clouds below. As pretty as the view was, I was even more excited about who was waiting for me when I landed in Atlanta. And just like that, look at here. Welcome to Atlanta. All right, so Atlanta's airport is on the very bottom of airports. There's so much you gotta go through to get to baggage claim. But once I made my way through there, my niece and nephew spotted me at the same time I spotted them. Let me just tell you, when my nephew came running toward me, I just had to slow down that moment. Just want to slow that moment down. That welcome was definitely worth the trip. Anyway, after all the hugs, we loaded up and we headed toward their home. But first, we had to make this little quick pit stop at the grocery store. Now, my nephew decided that he was going to drive me through the store. Okay, well, technically, I was pushing the cart from behind while he handled the steering. You know, he may need a little more practice before getting his grocery store license, but we made it through. My niece wanted to take me to this pizza place to check out this pizza. It's Savage Pizza. So we went there, and while we were waiting on our food, My niece and nephew, they played the X-Men video game. They had their fun.
It's been a minute, huh? You got to practice a little bit? Come on, girl. Come on. Where's your power?
And then my nephew wanted me to play. And let me tell y'all, I have no experience. I do not know how to play this game, so I kind of had to let him know. However, I guess I still played at the game. I guess he called himself trying to teach me. Okay, so I may not have mastered that game, but we definitely had some fun.
Give me some salad while the pizza pulls off.
Huge. No way I could eat all of that. I mean, we could have 4 or 5 people to eat off that salad, but it was good too.
Oh, okay.
But of course, I had to taste both pizzas. It was very good. But the thing was, it was just good food, family time, plenty of laughs, and it just kind of makes it the perfect way to spend the evening.
Where'd you get your fork from? You taste this pizza.
The 14.
Thank you.
I don't need my foot.
Is it good?
How many stop? Please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, so there was this one morning, my niece wanted to take me to this other place. It's called Grits and Eggs Breakfast Kitchen. It's seems to be a very popular breakfast spot. So we went in there and we got seated.
This way. This way, mister.
And instead of getting traditional menus, you take your phone and you scan this QR code to pull the menu up on. And once we placed our orders, the food started arriving at the table. Everything looked so delicious. And I got the waffles and the chicken. It was really good. I don't think I've had waffles anywhere that good. It really was. I enjoyed it. And of course, okay, so breakfast is not just about food. We spent time talking, laughing, enjoying each other. You know, those simple family moments are always some of the best parts of a trip. You know, they help you bond just that much more.
No, that's no salt. We don't need no salt. Thank you.
We're at 400 million and change in the country, where they're like approaching a billion, over a billion.
Oh, I see.
So that's why they're telling us that, hey, you need to have more kids.
Okay, but after breakfast,
That ponytail? Yeah, that's pretty.
my niece, she wanted to take me somewhere, but before that, we stopped at this place called Daily Chew. She needed to grab some coffee.
Wait a second. You do hot chocolate? Oh. You do hot cider? Like apple cider?
We don't have any more hot cider. We already did
Oh, okay. Different season now. Well, somebody took the last chocolate chip cookie.
I'm really not a coffee person, so I went with a nice cup of hot chocolate instead. Okay, so my niece was ready to take me to this surprise that she had. She wouldn't tell me where we were going. All I could do was get in the car and just enjoy the ride there. Okay, but so where did she take me? Here's a little sneak peek. Check out the little sneak peek. But let me know what do you think the surprise was? Like, where has my niece taken me to? Tell me down in the comments, where do you think she has taken me to? Now, to know for sure, you're gonna need to come back for the next video to find out. So again, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button. And as always, as my reminder to you, wherever you are, get outside, enjoy life, whatever that looks like for you. Stay safe, and God bless you.